All right, guys, these are the before pictures for Mr. Brad Holtz of WTTS. Don't forget Sunday mornings over easy. The languid tones of Mr. Brad Holtz. Here he is, the man himself. Brad.
Good to be back.
How are you?
I feel great.
Guys, look at these hairline pictures. Look at before. Okay, we lowered the hairline. We did multi-unit hair grafting. Now, lowering a hairline isn't about making you look 15 again. It's about an age-specific look and having a natural look that complements your current look and that you can carry as you continue to age. Brad, we were just talking about it. You saw these pictures today, 8 months post-transplant. You kind of forget, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I forgot where I was, especially with the crown and how much I was losing kind of right above the middle of the crown. And when I saw the after photos today, I was floored.
Let's have it's natural, isn't it? Let's have a look at this crown, guys. So when we build a crown, we give it a very natural look. So multi-unit hair grafting, we're able to create a lot of density, and you want to create that natural swirl pattern so that it layers and sits correctly. You want to give the maximum density you can in a single procedure. And we went all the way forward into the front a little bit here as well, kind of what we call over-transplanting. Over-transplanting meaning that we go into the surrounding hair to help limit the need for future transplants. Now, 80% of our guys get by with one procedure with multi-unit hair grafting. Brad, I know the summer, you like to play golf, you're a social guy, pretty well-known guy, you're out and about. Tell us about how the summer was. A little more confidence, right?
Yeah, a lot less hats. And I did feel a new level of confidence because I had this concern because this kept fitting further up from the crown, and to see where we are now and where I was even after 4 months, it's just remarkable. It definitely builds some new confidence.
It's awesome. Brad, we want to thank you, obviously. We appreciate your trust and everything you've done. Thank you. Awesome. Congratulations.